What puts the power in the Power Platform Community Conference? Man, that's a great question. I think it is all of the diverse attendees that come to this. I don't think there is any other conference like this where you have people that are highly technical and folks that are like getting started out on the platform and just learning, So I think that's what puts the power in this conference.
I think it's the power of the community. So like Charles said during the keynote, even on the online community, a question gets answered every 6 minutes. That's the power of the community.
Every single one of you who show up every single day with your apps, your automation, your innovation, and your global community of people who put your arms around every single newbie who shows up and says you belong here in the Power Platform.
It's really the people. It's got to start with the people. If no one showed up, this would not be very powerful. It wouldn't be that much of an epic event. But having everyone here really helps to give life to things.
Obviously, Power BI is where the power really is. We're a little biased, but I'm going to say that the F in Fabric is really what puts the power into the Power Platform. Wow.
I think this is the conference where you're going to meet the most amazing people from all over the world, just like you, who love technology, love building applications with Power Platform that you can work with and meet and socialize with for the whole week.